We'll guide you through how to use Mailchimp Inbox to manage your email communications effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Mailchimp website and log in to your account. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the Audience then Inbox tab. This is where you'll manage all your incoming messages. You'll see a list of conversations from your contacts. To read a message, simply click on it, and the message will open on the right side of your screen. Here, you can reply directly to the email using the text box at the bottom. Type your response, and when you're ready, click Send. If you want to attach files, you can do that too by clicking the paperclip icon next to the text box. Now, to organize your inbox, you can create labels for different types of messages. Click on Manage Labels at the top, and then Create New Label. Give it a name and assign it to relevant conversations for easy access later. You can also filter your messages by using the search bar at the top right. Just type in keywords, email addresses, or labels to quickly find what you need. If you have multiple team members handling your inbox, you can assign conversations to specific people by clicking Assign and selecting the team member's name. This keeps everything streamlined and ensures no emails are missed. Don't forget, you can also mark conversations as read, unread, archived, or spam by clicking the three-dot menu next to each message. These actions help you manage your inbox and keep it tidy. And that's how you use Mailchimp Inbox to stay on top of your communications. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.